Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make XB Farm with Spawner Easy Guide. Begin by locating a spawner, then secure the area and clear a 9x9x5 chamber around it. Light the spawner while you build, and plan paths that funnel mobs into a single stream. Position slabs or water strategically to prevent crawling and to guide mobs toward your drop or kill zone for efficient XP and loot collection. Design the mob flow so mobs spawn freely but are guided to a single collection point. Use water streams or trapdoors to move mobs while keeping the spawner active. Ensure the funnel narrows into a chute that leads to either a controlled drop or a manual killing area. Tweak the drop height to balance experience versus item preservation, and test flow with one spawn cycle to catch issues before full operation. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum easily handles crumbs and dust so you can focus on building your XP farm, plus voice control keeps things hands-free while you craft. I find it hilarious when my robot vacuums up dropped items after a grind session. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Create a kill chamber that keeps you safe while maximizing XP. A simple manual design lets you hit mobs from a protected stance, while automated crushers or pistons work for AFK-style farms. Always include hoppers under the kill area to collect drops into chests, and make sure the chamber is fully light-proof to maintain steady spawns. Test damage and loot rates and tweak for the best balance between XP and item retrieval.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.